Okay people, hi, and as you can see on the table it's a goodie oldie Makita DDF482, and customer trying to change the chuck, and as you can see with no luck. Probably now we have that problem in the gear assy, and oh hell, I don't know. Okay, so the screw goes out easily. What can I do now? I don't know, basically nothing. I need to reassemble it to check do we have gear assy problems or not. All my good bits, it's in my car. Okay, so this one is looking overheating sometimes. Okay, so let's check it, and the brushes is better to be replaced. The tool itself is really dirty here. Okay, so it's needed to be washed basically, and repairs like this is not just a check replacement, it's the whole tool tear down. Okay, let's take it like that. Everything here looks not bad, and what I want to see here, this shaft, I have the wrench here, I will put it like that, and let's go back to the vice wheel. What we'll try to do here, I'll try to put a check like that. And I will try to unscrew it somehow. Of course, when unscrewing now, I need to check that to hold the key straight, to not break the anvil. And I still can't unscrew it easily. The fuck? Okay. I don't know, maybe the customer tightened it or something, because normally it's not getting so hard. Okay, it seems that we are getting it slowly. Yeah, we are getting it step by step, and of course it will be a lot easier if it will be not cut it like that, but okay. I believe we can unscrew it. Okay, we have all we wanted here, and now you can see this one is a little bit dirty. The check, it's what was left of the check. Let's adjust the camera. Okay, so don't be like me, don't throw this out. Okay, so this is what was left from the check, and it was still not easy to unscrew it. Okay, now we can check. This one will go here. This gear will go here, and basically what we want now, we want to assemble the gears back, so I can try to put like that, and now it's in drilling mode, so I need to align this place with a pin here. So I need to spin it like that, and I have no doubts that I will not get it in easily. Okay, got it, nice. And okay, as you see, the gears looks really good and clean inside, and only the outside of the gear axle looks bad. So what I'm doing normally in this situation, I'm just closing this with my finger, of course clean finger, and spraying it with a brake cleaner. And then I can use the brush or the paper as wish. It's not a big difference. And clean it like that. Okay. Okay. Now it seems that we have nice clean gear assy, and let's go for this one. Okay, so this field knot looks clean. This field can be cleaned with the brake cleaner too, and it will not be such a problem. As you can see how much dirt we have here. Normally I'm spraying all the parts on the parts washer or the bin, but this time just wanted to show how easily it is to clean it, and it's worth it because you have a lot of dirt here. Of course, you will not make it, I don't know, shiny and new most of the times, but that's not needed. But for the dirt like that, it's better to take them out. Okay. We have something similar to the field, and okay, now let's check for the armature. For the armature, I'm using the professional electric cleaner because it's professional. Honestly, it's the cheapest cleaner from the hardware store. Okay, as you can see, the dirt came out, and the good thing that in the same way you can just clean your table a little bit. Okay, what we have here, we have the speed changer. Okay, clean the speed changer. Okay, these parts will just spray them out. Okay, spray the dust here. We'll clean it. Of course, we will not go with a deep clean for this one, and for the brushes of this tool, I don't know, probably the customer can replace them at any time. Okay. Okay, some brake cleaner was left here. So just clean it, don't lose the leaf spring here. And okay, let's try to put everything back, and let's check if everything is working, because we know that this one had some hard time when disassembled, so sometimes the tools just arrives damaged, and it is like it is. Okay, where we have our pin. Okay, pin here. See that the blue wire is cut here, so it was changed the switch some time ago. Okay, nice and shine. Okay, we have the small sticker here, and which is the repair date, and change it. Sometimes I'm just sticking the repair date, but this time choose it to put the change part. Okay, so for the brushes, now I'm leaving it. I will ask the customer, because it's only €2. Okay, where's the battery? Okay, now we have the problem with the screw, and okay, found it. Nope. Okay, was the phone call, was on the phone and found a new screw here, so the old one just got, and I have the nice new checks. You can find these checks on my online shop, and this one costs only €6, and honestly, just look, it's a nice one metal one check with a quick fix and so on. So they are really good. I love them, changing a lot of them, and so visit my store and just get them. Okay, now I need to put it to the slower speed and need to try to get it on the anvil, because the shaft here can be damaged. Okay, let's try to get it somehow here. Yeah, the part of the shaft is damaged here. What can we do here? We can just use the window. Okay. Let's check if that helped it, and probably. Okay, nope, still need to check the. Yeah, it's a little bit more damage, and that's why not good when the customers do that. But it is like this now. Okay, now let's check if we have repaired the treath here. And of course we have the other way to change the gear assy, but it's expensive. Just expensive to do, and we will do that if it will be no other way. Let's just see. That's really not good. Still can't get it. Okay. This one is good. Yep. So we have the problem on the thread here. Okay, let's try to. And again, not love how it goes, and yep, it does not go straight. Okay, need to find the way how to fix the thread here, and yeah, maybe we have the spear. Oh no, this is for the bigger one. Yes, so from the Milwaukee. And okay, this one looks good, and this one looks not good. Okay, I will try to find out something. Okay, it seems that it was not easy, but we have the check here, so that's good. What I want to do now, I want to put the Allen key and tighten it good to customer not to unscrew it easily. Next time again. Okay. Let's put the screw here now. Okay. Okay, so we have a nice working drill. That's all. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up and bye.